Flutter's open-source UI toolkit has revolutionized app development with its expressive UI and rapid development capabilities. Among its many features, custom painters stand out for their ability to create highly dynamic and adaptable UI elements. This guide will delve into the world of Flutter custom painters, exploring their potential for advanced UI customization. The Custom Painter class in Flutter allows developers to create graphics and visuals beyond the standard widget capabilities. By drawing directly on the canvas, developers can define unique shapes, paths, and colors, enabling the creation of intricate and customized UI elements. This flexibility makes Custom Painter a powerful tool for any Flutter developer. To begin using custom painters, create a custom class that extends Custom Painter. Override the paint method to define the graphical details of your UI elements, such as shapes, lines, and colors. The paint object sets attributes like stroke, color, and fill, allowing for detailed customization of your canvas. Custom painters excel in creating complex visual elements through intricate geometric shapes and curves. By drawing lines, curves, and shapes, developers can design unique UI components. Adding gradients and patterns can further enhance the depth and texture of your designs, while masking and clipping allow for precise control over element presentation. Combining custom painters with Flutter's animation framework enables the creation of dynamic and fluid UI animations. By responding to user gestures, developers can create engaging and interactive experiences. Flutter's animation library allows for smooth motion and transition effects, enhancing the visual appeal of custom UI elements. Custom painters are ideal for designing complex data visualizations, such as charts and graphs, offering extensive customization options. They also allow for the creation of unique progress indicators and interactive background visuals that react to app events or user input, providing a captivating user experience. Optimizing performance is crucial when working with intricate UI elements. Reusing and caching painted elements can improve efficiency. Implementing the should repaint method helps determine when UI elements need to be repainted, optimizing the rendering process. Techniques like batching drawing operations can further enhance performance. Custom painters can be used to create a dynamic weather widget that smoothly animates changing conditions. They can also be employed to develop a signature widget, providing users with a real signature experience. Additionally, custom painters can create engaging loading animations, enhancing user experience during app load times. Maintaining code organization improves the maintainability of custom painter implementations. Including documentation and comments helps in understanding complex code structures. Regular testing and debugging ensure that custom UI components behave as intended, preventing potential issues and ensuring a smooth user experience. Flutter's Custom Painter class offers unparalleled flexibility for creating advanced and customized UI elements. By mastering custom painters, developers can push the boundaries of standard UI design, creating unique and engaging user experiences. Dive into the world of Flutter custom painters and unlock the full potential of your app's interface.